and they met in Broomfield, and I thought, well, I'm just going to go along, and it was on a Thursday, and I thought I'm just going to go along and see if they still do it. Sure enough, they did. So that was it. But like I say, you can't just pop into the local Franklin's. You need to work store and, you know, pick up a lace pillow and lace bobbins. You can get the thread because thread's used for other things. I'll get this sewing machine back from Auntie Nata's on today because I'm over at hers at the moment, and I'll make us a case to put the bobbins in. Like that. It will look like a pencil holder that you could just roll up and sort of tie with ribbon. But I'll make it so it holds lots of bobbins.
How do you exactly how do you even make one?
I'll sew it so it'll be soft so you can just roll it up.
Oh, okay.
If I make it so that it keeps, I don't know, 60 bobbins. So if I make it so that it folds in half and then rolls up, you can have 30 on the top and 30 on the bottom. I'll have to see how practical that is. I'll get some material, pretty material. Perhaps I could get some red to match your box.
Yeah. And maybe put some dots on it.
Well, I'll see if I can get pretty material.
Because that would be cool if you could get dots. Because then it will definitely match on my box. And I still need to finish that other one that I did. The first one. The one that I started off doing and I didn't get to finish.
What, the blue one?
Yeah.
Well, that was just a tester, really, to show you how to do it, wasn't it? My first one wasn't brilliant.
But mine was.
Yes, all right, smarty pants.
That is so funny. Ow.
You've got small fingers.
Probably why.
That's exactly why. I was talking to Barbara when I was at the lace club yesterday, and they said sometimes they do have a lesson in the school holidays. So that would be good, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would be.
There's also a club called the Lace Making Guild.
What's that club?
It's kind of a club, although you don't actually. Guilds. Oh dear. It's a bit difficult to explain. They go back centuries, some of them. Like, but there's usually a guild for most crafts that have got a lot of history about them. So I mean,